Well, hello there. Welcome back to the art room. I'm really glad you could make it today. So, this marks 100 episodes of the art room. Thanks for coming along. And stick with us because we still have lots more art projects to discover together.
Okay, cue the new opening.
So today we're going to do a fantastic drawing called a snow tunnel picture.
One winter day, Mom sent us out to play. We chopped a big hole in the side of a snow pile at the end of the driveway. Max sat inside it, and we thought of a plan. Let's dig straight down and see if we can make more rooms to play in. So before long, we had all our friends put to work. George was manning the lookout station, while John and Jeff were in the hot tub room. I think my favorite place was the trampoline room. After a while, we all got pretty tired, so Mom invited us all back inside for hot chocolate. What a great day!
Okay, kind of in keeping with our cartoon theme of this time, we're going to do a project I used to do in first grade. I've been kind of holding back on this one because we just really haven't had big snowfalls like we've had this year here in Ohio, but we really do have a foot and a half of snow on the ground right now. So it's the perfect time to do a drawing, kind of a fantasy thing that we used to do in first grade. Maybe up until third grade. All these little people crawling around, all these neat things happening in our snow tunnel. So I gave them the biggest paper that I could find and a blue crayon to draw with, just because we always had plenty of blue crayons around. And sometimes we'd work on really big paper. I would always, of course, have my 3x4 easel out, something really big so that they could see every little detail of what I was drawing. So I'd started off with them this way, and my apologies, I'm going at super speed so you don't get bored, but I put all these cool little details and they would follow along step by step. And we keep it simple at the beginning with a house, and here's Mom's hand kind of waving. A few details on the house. Ooh, that's the water spigot. That's going to come in handy. And then we'd do a tunnel into our big snowbank, usually next to the driveway, you know, when it piles up where your car comes in. And that was as far as we did it. Actually, Frankie and I did that at our house. But then we'd fantasize further. What if we could go down into the snow, dig way, way down in, and make more rooms to play in down there? So we'd need flashlights, of course, to light our way. So we had plenty of flashlights. We just stick them up in the ceiling of the snow tunnel. So here's our first room going in. It's our hot tub room. And of course we need to fill it full of water, so we'll get it from the water spigot over there. We could probably get warm water out of the washroom if we wanted to. Let's make another little room over here. This is for our observation room so that nobody can sneak up on us. We got a little periscope thing going, and there's the periscope control panel. Okay, we're going to need a ladder now. We've got such a big hole. Let's go get a ladder out of the garage. Dad won't mind for a minute. And I'll dig a little tunnel over here. Wow, what's that one going to be? I think that's going to be our snack room because we're going to get awful hungry working down here in the snow tunnel. So there's our little technology ordering area over there, plus the window that the food comes out of. Let's go over here on this side, and we'll... let's see, what's that one going to be? Let's see here. I'm going to make a little correction there. I think this is going to be our video play room here, our game room. So they have a nice big, 80-inch screen down there. And we're going to need a safe to put our valuables in. So let's do that too for all of our, cash that we've got in our pockets and diamonds and gold and everything. One more room down here at the bottom. And let's pull back and look at what we've got already. Lots of great rooms, lots of great places to make up things. So at this point, we might have even have been at the end of the art class, and the first graders would merrily go just with what they had. No people in it yet. That was always the hard part for us, but here I am sketching in some people, and sometimes we got this far with at least somebody walking across the top. There's a couple of kids, and here's George going in his little observation room so he can look out the periscope. We're going to need a couple of kids in the hot tub, so let's put a couple of kids splashing around in that warm water of the hot tub. And here comes our dog, too. Might as well bring him. Hey, as long as we're up here, let's give Mom a face. There's another little guy. He's ready to get in. He's not quite sure, though. And let's give our little lookout guy a snack. And, a high security valve to shut off on the water there. We don't want that leaking away. How about a food sign so everybody knows, you can come down into our McDonald's room. And over here in this tunnel, a little, one of our pals, probably Ralph, he's digging in another tunnel. We're not sure where he's going to go. We're going to need some power, so big extension cord out through the basement window there. See that? Anybody can plug in anything they need if they need power. Here's a couple of kids at our McDonald's room, and it looks like they got a crooked leg on their table there. It must have happened on the way down in the tunnel, but they're having a hamburger and something to eat there, and there's the bottom of their feet. Okay, just making this up, and the whole time we're doing all this stuff, the kids have ideas and they're trading them back and forth. Here's a chipmunk's trying to get in. That could be trouble later. But as I said, the kids are just totally enthralled in this at this point, and they're offering up their own ideas about what we can put in and who needs a snack. Like the gaming room guy, he's got a bag of potato chips laying on the floor there. And another ladder, because we're down there pretty far. We're going to need another ladder, I think. We're playing Mario Kart today in our game room. There's the lost diamond we've been looking for. Not sure how it got down there, but if you dig around far enough, you can probably run into that diamond. I'm going to turn my paper upside down so I can make somebody doing a somersault on our trampoline in the trampoline room. And here's another kid sitting on the edge. I think he's going to be sitting on the edge of the trampoline. He's ready to take his turn next. And the whole time we're doing this, the kids are so into it, because sometimes we did this right off of a snow day, and they were all full with a memory of them digging through the snow the prior day. There's a way to get out in the exit tube there. Oops, sorry, I'm off camera a little bit here. My mistake. I drew a little dog or a little cat laying on the little thing there for the cat room. So here we are, all colored in. We didn't usually get this far, but I hope you do at home. And oh my goodness, that was fun. Thinking about a snow tunnel and all of the neat adventures and things we can do and things we can draw in it. And remember, no matter where you go, no matter what you do, you got something to be proud of. You're an artist. So stick with it. And we'll see you back here next time in Mr. Shay's Art Room.